The mesh tool allows you to create mesh object, which consists of mesh lines, and these line crisscrosses the object. These mesh lines can be used to manipulate color transition on the object. This tool can be used to add gloss effect, creating gradient mesh, or blending colors. The mesh tool is located here on the toolbar. I have drawn a simple circle here on the artboard to show you the working of the mesh tool. So go on and select the mesh tool, and now when you move your mouse over to the object, the cursor will change to a plus sign. Now click here. This will create mesh lines which crisscrosses each other. You can add multiple mesh lines just by clicking anywhere on the object. So if I click here, another set of mesh lines are created, and clicking on any existing line, say this vertical line, will create a horizontal mesh line, and clicking on a horizontal mesh line will create a vertical mesh line. You will notice that nothing is happening to this object because the color of the object is same as the mesh. So if I change the fill, let's say this lighter green, you will see the difference. This point is called the mesh point, and these enclosed region are called the meshed region, and these points are handle, which allows you to change the curve of the mesh line. You can also delete the mesh point if you like. Just take your cursor to the mesh point that you want to remove, and now press Option or Alt key, and when the cursor changes to show a minus sign, just click to delete the point. You can also move the mesh point if you like. Just click and drag. This will move the mesh lines. The direct selection tool can also be used to move the mesh points. The mesh tool can add nice effects to your artwork, and it takes some practice to master. Just try to use the mesh tool and color setting on different objects until you are comfortable using it.